Hey guys, in today's part Do It Yourself, we are going to do chapatis in 9 simple steps. Firstly, you add water, flour, warm water, flour, and a bit of oil. Then you mix it together and knead it. Then you make it into round balls. Then you roll it. Then you add some butter. You see the round balls you first do before you roll. Then you add some butter in it or some oil. Then you fold it and make it into shapes. These are the shapes. Here are the shapes again. Then after that, you roll it into round ready for cooking. And here we